Fresh, carefully selected animal bones are the starting point for this toothpaste.
These animal bones are still in their raw form, but each batch is inspected for cleanliness and quality. Once loaded, the sealed white truck begins its journey to a specialized facility.
As you can see here, we start with these carefully sourced animal bones. The bones are processed into this fine mineral abrasive before being blended directly into the toothpaste.
The same white truck now carries the raw bones to a dedicated facility.
The facility is purpose-built to handle animal bones safely, ensuring that the future toothpaste ingredient.
All right, bring it back slow. Keep coming. A little more to the right. Okay, hold it right there. That's good.
From this point on, the animal bones remain inside controlled zones, moving directly from the truck into enclosed systems designed for safe handling.
Each batch of bones is inspected again on arrival. Any pieces that don't meet strict visual criteria are removed before processing continues.
Bones that show cracks, contamination, or other issues are removed and sent to separate byproduct streams.
With unloading complete, every bone for this batch is now inside the controlled process flow, ready for intensive cleaning.
Automated equipment now takes over, gently transferring the bones from their transport crates onto enclosed conveyors that will carry them through multiple cleaning stages.
Operators monitor the incoming bones at every stage, confirming that the raw material stream remains stable and ready for intensive cleaning and sterilization.
The first step is a high-pressure rinse, using hot water to remove any remaining soft tissue or residue from the surface of the bones.
After rinsing, the bones drain briefly to remove excess water, helping prepare them for more thorough mechanical and thermal cleaning.
Mechanical action and food-grade cleaning agents help strip away any remaining fats and residues, leaving a clean, mineral-rich bone structure.
Technicians verify that the bones now meet cleanliness standards before they continue to high-temperature sterilization and calcination.
Steam sterilization eliminates remaining microorganisms, making the bones safe to process into a purified mineral ingredient.
High-velocity air removes remaining droplets and fine particles, improving consistency before the bones are crushed into smaller pieces.
The bones are mechanically crushed into smaller pieces, allowing heat and later chemical steps to penetrate more effectively.
In calcining kilns, the bones are heated to very high temperatures, driving off organic material and leaving a sterile, mineral-rich bone ash.
The result of calcination is a sterile bone ash, made entirely from the original bones and ready for
The sterile bone ash is now introduced into stainless steel reactors.
Samples are pulled regularly, confirming that the mineral derived from animal bones meets the strict specifications required for toothpaste.
Centrifugal separation thickens the bone-derived mineral, producing a concentrated, consistent abrasive phase suited to toothpaste formulations.
Drying transforms the concentrated bone-derived mineral paste into a stable, fine powder that can be dosed precisely into toothpaste mixers.
Once dried and cooled, the bone-derived mineral emerges as a stable powder, an essential abrasive component in the toothpaste we use every day. The finished bone-derived mineral powder is stored in dedicated silos, held under dry, controlled conditions until it is needed for toothpaste production. From the silo, the bone-derived mineral moves through enclosed pipes, ensuring that the toothpaste ingredient remains clean and protected.
Each bag of bone-derived mineral is sealed and clearly identified, keeping the ingredient traceable as it moves on to toothpaste manufacturing. Secured on pallets, the bone-derived mineral remains protected as it travels to the toothpaste mixing area within the same facility complex.
With the mineral prepared, it now joins the toothpaste manufacturing area, where it will be blended into the familiar paste we see in tubes.
Precise dosing screws ensure that the bone-derived mineral enters each toothpaste batch at exactly the right rate, batch after batch.
Inside high-shear mixers, the bone-derived mineral becomes fully integrated into the toothpaste base, giving the product its gentle cleaning power.
By pulling a vacuum, the toothpaste mass is de-aerated, preventing air pockets in the final tubes and keeping the bone-derived mineral evenly suspended.
From the mixer, the toothpaste flows into buffer tanks that feed the high-speed filling lines.
In the laboratory, the bone-derived mineral is checked for purity, particle size, and consistency to ensure it is safe and effective for dental care.
Laboratory tests verify that the bone-derived mineral meets strict regulatory limits for composition and safety before it is used in toothpaste.
Appearance checks ensure that the toothpaste, now containing the bone-derived mineral abrasive, looks exactly as consumers expect. Automated sensors continuously verify flow and density, catching any deviations in the toothpaste before it reaches the filling machines. Only once all tests are passed does quality assurance release the toothpaste batch, allowing it to move on to the filling and packaging lines.
Verify the calibration date on this tag.
It's current. It's current. Everything seems in order.
Hygiene checks around toothpaste contact surfaces confirm that cleaning routines are effective and that the environment stays safe for this bone-derived ingredient.
Clean, empty tubes are oriented and brought into position so they can be filled with toothpaste containing the bone-derived mineral abrasive. From the buffer tanks, the finished toothpaste flows down into precision nozzles, ready to be accurately dosed into each individual tube. Once filled, the tubes travel through a sequence of crimping tools that close and seal the end opposite the cap.
Each tube is marked with batch and date codes, ensuring full traceability of the toothpaste from the bone-derived mineral all the way to the store shelf.
Any tube that doesn't meet strict appearance standards is automatically removed from the flow and set aside for investigation. Cartons are erected from flat blanks, ready to hold and protect individual tubes of toothpaste on their way to stores.
Once the tubes are inside, each carton is sealed, turning the toothpaste into a ready-for-shelf retail unit.
Individual cartons are combined into larger cases that will protect the toothpaste during storage and transport.
Here's your shipment for today.
Perfect, just set them over there by the counter.
Filled cases are stacked into pallets, creating dense, stable loads of toothpaste ready for storage and distribution.
From packaging, the toothpaste moves into a warehouse, where pallets are stored under controlled conditions until orders arrive from distributors and retailers.
Digital systems track every pallet of toothpaste, ensuring that the right products are shipped to the right markets at the right time.
Is that the order for DC2?
Yeah, stack it high.
The same style of white truck now returns, this time to carry finished toothpaste products toward distribution centers and eventually local shops.
With every pallet of toothpaste loaded and sealed, the shipment is ready to leave the factory for local markets. From this modern facility, the finished toothpaste travels out into the distribution network that serves everyday shops. Each sealed truckload of toothpaste is logged as it leaves, maintaining full traceability right up to the point of sale.
From factory to city, the toothpaste travels along national highways before it is broken down into smaller deliveries for individual shops.
As the truck reaches the edge of the city, its load of toothpaste is destined for small depots and local neighborhood shops.
In this compact yard, the load of toothpaste is briefly staged and split into smaller drops for individual neighborhood stores.
Here, the large factory pallets of toothpaste are split into smaller shipments, tailored to the needs of each local shop.
The load is rearranged so that each stop receives exactly the right quantity and variety of toothpaste.
From large pallets to small cartons, the toothpaste now arrives at the kind of neighborhood shops where customers will finally pick it up.
For small shops, toothpaste arrives not on huge pallets, but in compact cartons that can be quickly unloaded by hand.
By the time a shopper sees this toothpaste on the shelf, the bone-derived mineral inside has been through dozens of controlled factory steps.
By the end of the delivery route, dozens of small shops across the neighborhood are stocked with identical toothpaste from the same factory line. Whether in small corner shops or larger supermarkets, these tubes all trace back to the same controlled bone-to-toothpaste process.
Any remaining toothpaste is held briefly at this depot, ready to top up nearby shops on the next run.
Digital records close the loop, tying each box of toothpaste on the shelf back to a specific batch and truck route.